Hi guys. Hey, listen, I just wanted to give you guys a brief overview of the app login app management platform that we have. There's a bunch of different modules in here, and I just wanted to briefly go over each and every one of them. We can go into more specifics on a one-on-one basis, but for right now I just kind of wanted to give you an overview. So we're going to start off with news. Almost every single local newspaper has some type of news feed. And I'll just give you an example real quick. Our local news in Sacramento is sacb.com. That's their URL. That's their website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click import. And it usually takes a few minutes. But what's going to happen is it's going to go through SACB and it's going to go and find all of the relevant RSS feeds so that you can provide news, images that they have, videos that they have, all on your app. So increasing the value of your app by offering local news is huge, guys. And this is something that we offer. Now you'll see in here we have SACB latest news and SACB latest news images. We're going to go ahead and import all those. So now we have news on our app, as you'll see here. And I would even change the name here to SACB, because all my local guys that are downloading this app are going to know what the SACB is, and they're going to say, oh, okay, cool, awesome, I can get news. Now, some of the other modules, places. This is really cool if you guys want to be able to offer some type of business listings where you can actually charge the businesses to have a listing in your app, and essentially allows them to have an image of their location, instant GPS location, directions rather, step-by-step directions, at the click of a button, click to call, a bunch of different features in here. We even have a 3D augmented reality view to where you can actually hold up the app and in a reality setting view all the locations that are listed within the app according to the customer or the user's location. Really handy. We'll go into that in more detail at a later date. Events, we already went over that. Photos, you can incorporate flickers, a Flickr feed, which comes up in a really nice, slick UI, and the output is just awesome. And then about information, this is really important if you want to be able to have, let's say, on the Sacramento coupon app or Sacramento deals, if I wanted to have a page about, who we are, I can put that information in there. I can even have links to go buy advertising for the app. We can use PayPal to where they can actually incorporate, where you can incorporate a payment system where they can pay for the advertising right there. Next is a social networking feature. This is a module that we built. This is actually our own module. This is awesome. You guys can have a tie-in to Facebook and Twitter, but more specifically, this is an actual social network built into the app, so people can share, hey, look, I found this really cool restaurant, or hey, man, I had a great time down at this event, or this whatever place of business. Social network is huge, and people like to be able to share their experiences, so they can do that with the social networking module. Radio streaming is really cool. Essentially, practically every radio station has a live streaming URL that you can grab and put into your app. Now you can have local radio streaming right on your app. Audio podcasts, if you want to do a podcast about a local event that's coming up and charge a little bit extra for that, you can do that. Video, if you want to incorporate Vimeo or YouTube, we play great with those guys. So, and it comes up in a really slick, again, user interface that is just awesome. And people can share the videos on their Facebook and Twitter. We do have those sharing capabilities within the app. And then web, any type of web component. If you have a mobile website you want to add in for people to be able to access your mobile website, we can put that in there, or you can put that in there. Not a problem. Again, web-based forms, mobile compatible forms for people to sign up for stuff. You can put that in there as well. Ads. We tie into all major ad networks for mobile apps, so you can have banner ads and make money on your app with banner ads. Push notifications. This is really cool. I really want to touch base on this because there's a lot of talk about SMS, and SMS is strong. And I'm not saying, you know, to replace this with SMS. Obviously, SMS has its place, but this essentially does the same thing. Anybody that's downloaded your app and you send out a message, whether the app is open or not, and it's going to pop up just like a text message and saying, hey, look, we have some cool events coming up, or if you want to charge a little extra to an advertiser and say, hey, look, we'll push out your message to let them know your coupons, you know, out there for 50% off, you know, dental services or whatever, you can push that out. It works just the same as, I don't want to say just the same, but similar to an SMS, to a text message. It pops up just like a text message on the phone. Deals, we already went over that. People, this is really cool if you have a real estate app that you're doing and they have a bunch of realtors. You can actually have a bio of each individual realtor and links to contact info, click to call, all that good stuff. Menu, this is perfect for restaurants, obviously. You know, you can put images of food in there, you know, different dishes. Again, real simple to use. And then obviously add new content. If you need new content, add it. If you want to make, you know, an extra icon, add it. The other thing I wanted to show you real quick are the design elements as far as these icons. These icons can actually be changed. We have a ton of different icons that you can choose from, but you can also upload your own icons. So you can make custom icons. You don't even have to have any text. If you don't want any text down here, you can remove the text. There's different outputs of the layout of icons that you can utilize. In this instance, we're using the 3x1. Different icon colors. There's a bunch of different, I mean, pretty much every color imaginable you can grab from this. And let's see, monochrome, icon sets, flat icon sets, colored icon sets, if you want to add some pizzazz, or again, you can upload your own custom icons. And I guess that's about it. I just wanted to kind of give you guys an overview. Again, we're running a July 4th special right now, $199. We will create your coupon app, $36 a month, keeps it going, and that gives you access to this right here. You can change it anytime. It automatically populates. All you got to do is click on, well, this is a published app, but it'll say republish. You click on that, and it automatically repopulates and updates your app. So if you added photos, events, news, videos, it doesn't matter. All you got to do is click republish and you're good to go. All right, guys, thanks a lot. And visit app29.com or give me an email. Shoot me an email at corey@app29.com, or you can contact us at contact@applogin.net. Thanks a lot.